They told you passive income is easy, but what if I told you most of it is a lie? Scammers promise make money while you sleep, but the truth? Some of these so-called passive income streams will drain your wallet instead of filling it. In this video, I'll expose the biggest passive income scams and show you what actually works, so you don't waste time or money. Let's get into it. When people hear passive income, they picture making thousands of dollars with zero effort. Instagram influencers love to sell the dream. Start today and retire next year. But here's the truth. There's no such thing as completely effortless money. Real passive income takes work up front, and some of these so-called hacks are just straight-up scams. Let's break it down. Ever seen ads that say, buy this ready-made dropshipping store and start making money instantly? Well, that's a scam. These pre-built stores are overpriced, sell cheap products with no demand, and leave you with zero real business strategy. Crypto and NFTs can be real investments, but 90% of passive income projects in this space are just pump and dump scams. If someone says, buy this token and you'll earn money daily, run the other way. Automated trading bots promise set it and forget it income, but most are just pre-programmed to lose money over time. If these bots were truly profitable, why would they be selling them instead of just using them? Any business model where you have to recruit others to make passive income is just a pyramid scheme in disguise. If the focus is on signing people up, not selling real products, it's a scam. All right, enough with the scams. Let's talk about real passive income methods that actually work, ones that take effort up front but pay off long term. Yes, faceless YouTube channels can make serious money, but it's not instant. You need good scripts, engaging editing, and consistency. The reward? Passive ad revenue from viral videos. Ebooks, Notion templates, online courses. Once you create them, they can sell 24/7 with minimal maintenance. Instead of buying into shady schemes, promote legit products through affiliate programs like Amazon, Shopify, or software tools. With a blog, TikTok, or YouTube, you can generate passive commissions. Buying dividend-paying stocks is one of the easiest ways to build real passive income. You invest once and keep earning as long as you hold. Instead of shady done-for-you stores, create your own designs for t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and sell them through sites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy. So now you know the truth. Passive income isn't a magic button. The scams promise easy money, but the real ways require hard work up front. The good news? If you put in the time, these methods do pay off over time. Which passive income method are you most interested in? Drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance content. See you in the next one.